Oy. All right, hey guys, what's going on? It's that home theater dude. Got a brand new episode for today. Got a new, fresh perspective on the room, right? You guys are facing the back side of it. The room's still a mess. The speakers are still not where they're supposed to be. There can be some tidying up. I have brand new stuff coming into the room. I need to go ahead and get this stuff finished. I have responsibilities of my own, and stuff takes time. So this is a big part of it. These are the Valencia seats. These are from Valencia seat. They have the Tuscany model. You guys will probably see this video very, often. They pretty much send these out to any big YouTuber. But the reason why I wanted to go ahead and get these seats in this space is that your main listening position, your main seating area, it matters. It matters to, the screen size if you haven't had that taken care of already. It matters to your speaker placement if you haven't taken care of that already. Or even if you do have all that stuff, this matters on where you're gonna put things in the grand scheme of things. So, but yeah, so I already have all the stuff. I have the specific reason to go ahead and get these things in the space. I'm gonna go ahead and get them unboxed, let you know what I think about them. I'll do it right after the intro. Well, all right, so these are the Valencia Tuscany seats. They come in Napa leather. They are power reclining. They have headrest adjustable, as well as lit LEDs on the bottom of the base of the seats. So these things are really nice. They came protected, FedEx freight. The boxes were in nice shape. And then if you guys have kids, you guys have some forts that they can make out of it. If you guys want to make a fort, you're more than welcome to do that as well. Two-piece design. There's the backing right there, and then the base. You're going to want to go ahead and connect those bases together as shown right here. It's very satisfying with that little click that they have. I would recommend laying them flat before you do that. I just left them upright for filming purposes. So again, this thing's very well protected from the manufacturer. You don't have to worry about any damage or anything like that. And then, like I was talking about, two-piece design, power reclining, connect the connections on the back. It's very easy, red to red, black to black. And then you'll have your power reclining as well as your power headrest or head adjust as well. Tuck the SS into the base of the seat, and then it's very simple. Lift up, align the tabs, and then just push down. I found that I don't necessarily need to pull out on the metal stuff that, as shown in the directions. It just didn't really seem like it was necessary. You push down, and it doesn't really seem like it's going to come up anymore. So just go ahead and do that right here. But let's go ahead and finish off this video. Well, all right, guys, that's going to conclude the Valencia Tuscany theater seat unboxing. This wasn't meant to be a full-on review video. I will do a full-on dedicated review video a little later on, but I just wanted to go ahead and announce this right now. You guys don't necessarily know whenever I do these giveaways. Valencia has actually agreed to give away one of these seats right here, so not the entire thing, right? One of these seats right here, so a captain's chair as it would be. It's called a double-armed Valencia seat in black, or Tuscany seat in black. So that's what you're gonna get. Basically the same thing right here with the diamond stitching, the reclining seat, super soft. These super soft seats, man. Like I've sitting there and watched a couple demos with these things, just soaking it all in, and these things are really comfy. So definitely recommend that you guys check these out if they weren't on your radar before. But like I was talking about, they're giving away one of these seats to you. Very simple. All you got to do is go to Valencia social media, make sure you guys like all that stuff, and then the key factor is to go ahead and leave a comment down below on this video right here. And then like the video as well. Make sure you guys are subscribed because we do these giveaways very often, as much as I can with these companies that I coordinate with. They didn't necessarily see any of this footage before I put it out, so it's not like it's a pay for play type thing. You guys know that all my opinions are always going to be mine, and I don't get paid to say anything from companies. But yeah, they're giving away a seat to you guys, so you guys know the stipulations. November 15th, 2020, that's the deadline. That's the day I'm gonna pick a winner. Don't come at me, a year from now asking if the giveaway's still going on. Don't pop on a separate video later on asking how you can score a free seat. I mean, it's pretty simple. I've already laid it out pretty easily for you guys. So November 15th, I'm gonna go ahead and pick a winner, 2020, and then they're gonna go ahead and ship this thing out directly to you. So really appreciate you guys for watching. I got nothing else, man. I've had limited time with these things because, like I was talking about, this is an integral part to your theater. You need to know where you're sitting so that you need to know where you're gonna put your speakers. You need to know if you're too far or too close to the screen, or maybe even if you wanna bump up a screen size. There's a lot of different things, and I'm gonna be covering that in a later video about how to set up a home theater and whatnot. But getting ahead of myself, wanted to let you guys know what's coming to the channel. I know it took a little bit of a break. Again, I was waiting for these seats and then some other things to happen in this room, but it's still a freaking nightmare. Like there's the wiring is the nightmare, and we're gonna go ahead and address that later on this week. But really appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks for sticking around for the super long outro. But that's it. Free seat for you guys. Catch you on the next one.